How to send one-time view photo on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can send one-time view photo on the Instagram app. The first thing you want to do is launch open Instagram on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now open up the conversation where you want to send a one-time view photo. In the chat box, you want to tap on the camera icon on the bottom left of your screen. Go ahead and take a picture. You can also tap on the gallery icon to choose an image or screenshot from your device. Select the photo you want to send from your gallery. Now at the bottom, you will find this option. Go ahead and select that. Here you will find three available options: allow replay, keep in chat, and view once. Tap view once. Once that is selected, tap on the send option. This ensures that the photo disappears after the recipient opens it one time. The recipient will receive a notification and can view the photo only once before it disappears from the chat. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.